Okay, so let's continue our process. So we created a new map that is empty that will be used for our start menu. So I've already created a bit of my start menu, but one thing I wanted to show you guys was how to add an image for any menu. It doesn't just have to be for the start menu, but the way you would do this is you would go on your content browser and there's an import button, and it will let you see all of the different folders that are on your computer. And this is the one that I picked. I already picked UAT, so I'll just pick it again, and then it should show up here. And what I did, just to kind of be organized, anything that's going to deal with UI, I just put them inside of the UI folder. So move here. So all I did was I just dragged it onto the folder that I wanted, and it gave me like a little pop-up. Oh, this already exists because I had already moved it, so it's not going to go in there, which is okay. And as you can see here, I have my start menu. So this is the one that I already created, but I'm gonna show you, I created like a brand new one just to show you how I would import the image. So the cool thing about Unreal is, let's say you already have an image selected right here. So I'm gonna select this. If I go inside of the, I'll just create a new widget just to show you how it would go. So if I right click and I go on user interface, widget blueprint, I click on user new widget, I'll just put example image just to show you guys what it would be like. If I go on here and I click it, it should bring me to the designer. And remember, and I'll go just a little fast because this is something we've already covered in class, so I'm not gonna spend too much time. So we have our canvas panel. We can add, let's just add an image to show you what it would look like. So if I go on image, you'll just go ahead and drag this onto your scene. So all I did was tick it. My mouse acts funny sometimes. So the cool thing, remember how we had that image selected? If you go back to the content browser, I had that image selected right here. If I open up this blueprint again, this widget blueprint, if you go here under the details panel, look for where it says blush. So if I'm on this image, let's look for where brush should be under appearance. And if I go on, I open brush, it should show me image. So the cool thing, remember how I had that image selected? I mean, you can always look for it, but here, this little arrow button, it says use selected asset from content browser. Because remember how I had that UAT image selected, and it just put it right there for me. Now, if I want to make this bigger, just change all of the numbers here to 0, and it should make it really big for you. Oh no, it just like disappeared. Where did it go? Hold up, where did the, oh no, I don't know what I did with the image, but let's just do that again. I just switched everything, let me see, to 0. Maybe I shouldn't have changed every single thing to 0. But, for some reason, usually 0 does make it look bigger, but I guess we'll just drag it. We'll just drag it onto the scene. If not, maybe I'm just putting 0 in the wrong places, but 0. And if I want to get it again, boom, there you go. You have your image, and this should fill up the whole screen. And let's see, like I've mentioned, I already created one, so this was just an example. I'm gonna go ahead and delete it just so I don't have too many things going on here, and then I will show you where the one that I created is. So if you go on UI, my start menu, this is what my start menu, oh, I know what happened. My image isn't there because, let's just do this. My image isn't there because I deleted it. It's literally so picky. It's so picky. If you do something wrong, it doesn't do it. So this is how you would add your image to the scene. So any type of image that you want, this is how you'd be able to add it.